At the stroke of midnight tomorrow, the year of 2020 will come to a close. It's felt like possibly the longest year ever, and I'm sure you will undoubtedly be happy to see it in the rearview mirror. But while we celebrate the start of the new year, local health officials hope that holiday gatherings won't contribute to more COVID-19 cases. Q2's Mitch Legge joins us now with more.
I think it's safe to say that the Billings community is ready to be done with 2020 and ring in the new year. However, when it comes to COVID-19, Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton said on Wednesday he hopes the community doesn't slide backwards when it comes to the total number of cases. The month of December was better for the Yellowstone County case counts. Felton said the peak of cases was in mid-November, which consistently saw 100 new cases per day per 100,000 population. Now, the county is recording 2/3 less than that, with about 34 new cases per day per 100,000 population in December.
So that's what's at risk. The progress that we've made can very quickly turn around when we put people in high-risk environments, which is really where you compress a lot of people in a small space.
Felton offered the same advice we've all been hearing for the past year to slow the spread. People must avoid large gatherings, wear masks, and wash their hands. He advised against attending large New Year's Eve parties and said if there is to be a holiday spike in cases, it will be seen around the second week of January. Billings area restaurants and bars have been operating at 50% capacity and forced to close at 10 p.m. since Felton issued a health officer order in November. At Stacked, a Montana grill in downtown Billings, owner Stephen Hindman said business hasn't been the best, but his employees are following the rules to keep the community safe. They even received a drop-in visit from the health department, which was happy with the restaurant's protocols.
You know, health department stopped by and thanked us for doing a good job just the other week, and that feels good. Still doesn't correct the situation, but we're trying to do the right things for the right reasons. And as we head into the New Year's Eve, we plan to do the same thing. Just keep doing what we're doing for our guests, for the public. For healthcare workers, for everybody that's battling to stay on top of this, doing the right thing for the right reasons. There's never a wrong time for that.
In Billings, Mitch Legge, MTN News.
Thanks, Mitch. Of course, the hope is that COVID-19 will become much less prevalent once widespread vaccinations are carried out. Felton estimates it could be into the summer of 2021 before we get to that point.